Hello friends, welcome to channel CLAT Simplified. This is part 1 of English comprehension based question. जी हाँ, comprehension based question बहुत ही important है from examination point of view. So we have decided to come with the comprehension based question, जिसमें आपको एक पैसेज दिया जाएगा, आप उस पैसेज को रीड करेंगे and then you will try to answer this question. So before we start, you need to read all these instructions. So we have provided the passage in the description. As providing passages which is approximately 450 words in one slide will make the words अपीयर टू स्मॉल टू रीड एंड कम्प्रेहेंड। इसीलिए हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम पैसेज को आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन में दे देंगे, वहाँ पे आपको ईजी होगा पढ़ने के लिए, तो आप वहाँ पढ़िएगा एंड वंस यू आर डन विद द पैसेज यू कैन कम हियर एंड ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन। सो रीड द पैसेज एंड देन ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड इन द नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ स्लाइड्स। सो आपका ये टास्क बनता है कि आप इस वीडियो को पॉज करिएगा, डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन में हमने पैसेज दिया है उसे पढ़िएगा एंड देन विल गो टू द क्वेश्चन सेक्शन जो कि हम इस वीडियो में प्रोवाइड किए हैं और उसको आंसर दीजिएगा एंड ट्राई टू सी how many questions you are getting correct. Okay, so go to the description section and read the passage. So I hope you all are done with the passage. Now let us take you to the question section. So before we start I would like to say कि ये पार्ट 1 है, पहले पार्ट इजी रहेगा, फिर डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल बढ़ता रहेगा। तो पहले आप मत समझिए कि हम हमेशा इजी क्वेश्चन ही देते रहेंगे और इजी पैसेजेस देते रहेंगे, ये जस्ट पार्ट 1 है इसलिए इजी रहेगा। पार्ट अलग अलग पार्ट आते रहेंगे और डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल बढ़ते रहेंगे। सो मूविंग टू द क्वेश्चन सेक्शन।
So as you can see, there are 15 questions, and make sure that you don't revisit the passage again and again. You must read the passage once or twice and then try to answer all these questions and see how many questions you are getting correct. So make sure you don't revisit the passage again and again. In this way, you cannot actually improve your efficiency or the way you comprehend the passage, right? So the only way to improve is to visit the passage once or twice and try to answer all the questions that are mentioned. So without wasting time, let us go to the question. I will wait for a couple of seconds and then I will reveal the correct answer. So you have to guess the correct answer in your mind. So moving to the first question, what made the two young men decide to visit the fair? I repeat, what made the two young men decide to visit the fair? As you can see, there are 5 options and you have to decide the correct one. I'll wait for a couple of seconds. So the correct answer of this question is option B. They wanted to trade their goods at the fair and earn some money. So moving to the next question. What were Kesav and Yash quarreling about? Again, there are 5 options and I will wait for a couple of seconds. So the correct answer of this question is option D. The money Yash owed to Keshav. Moving to the third question. Why were the two men happy despite not going to the fair? Again, you can see there are 5 options. Let me repeat the question. Why were the two men happy despite not going to the fair? So the correct answer of this question is option D. Each thought he had got the better deal and had swindled the other. So moving to the next question. Why did the villagers gather at Yash's house? Again, you are given 5 questions. Sorry, 5 options and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option E. Villagers gathered to cremate Yash. Moving to the next question. So why did Yash request Keshav to go down into the well? 5 options. Sorry, this is not the correct answer. 5 options and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option C, to trick Kesav into cleaning it. I hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the sixth question. Which of the following cannot be said about the two young men? And you can see there are 3 points and you have to decide which of this cannot be said about the two young men. So the correct answer of this question is option A, only one is not correct. So moving to the next question. Why did Keshav get an extra gold coin from the thief's treasure? 5 options, and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option C, as repayment of the rupee that Yash owed to him. So moving to the next question. So what was Keshav's reaction to Yash's presumed death? Again, there are 5 options. Question is, what was Keshav's reaction to Yash's presumed death? 5 options, and you have to decide the correct one. So the correct answer of this question is option E. He knew Yash was pretending and decided to trick him too. So I hope you all have got the correct answers. Moving to the 9th question. What frightened the thieves? So I repeat the question. What frightened the thieves? There are 5 options, and then I'm giving you some time to decide the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is option A, the sight of what they thought were the spirits of the dead. So moving to the 10th question. Which of the following not true in the context of the passage? Remember, not true. Let me show you 5 options, and you have to decide which of the following is not true. So the correct answer of this question is option C. Keshav guarded Yash's body because he knew thieves lived there. Okay, so I hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the 11th question. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning. Discover. So the correct answer of this question is option D. Realize. Remember, most similar. Moving to the 12th question. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning, and the word is struck. So the correct answer of this question is option A. Reached. Moving to the 13th question. Choose the word that is most similar in meaning. Top. Top is the word, and you have to decide the correct one. And remember, it should be as per the passage. So the correct answer of this question is option E. Maximum. Moving to the 14th question. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning. Remember, keep paying attention to the question. The one who has said the question will make certain amendments. So here you can see it is most opposite, not similar. So the opposite and the word is dark. So it's quite easy, and the correct option is option A. Bright. Moving to the last question. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning. Again, opposite, and the word is free. It is quite easy, I guess. So the correct answer is obviously option B. Paid. So we are done with 15 questions, and I hope you all have got the correct answers. So do let me in the comment box how many questions you have got correct, and in this way you can actually improve your reading efficiency and also the way you comprehend the passage. So do subscribe to our channel and wait for other parts to come so that you can actually improve in this particular section. Thank you and have a nice day.